That was sweet. Now I understand how the moon can block the view of the sun. But why is it so important to study the corona? I guess I need to learn a little more about the sun. Let's visit with Carolyn Inge of NASA's Sun-Earth Connection to learn more about this very important star.
Hello, Derek. You're right. The sun is very important to all of us here on Earth. Our sun is actually a very average star. It is not the brightest nor the hottest star, and is actually classified as a dwarf. Heat and light come from deep within the center of the sun, where nuclear reactions between the gases release massive amounts of energy. Like Earth, the sun has an atmosphere surrounding it. Because the sun is so bright, it is hard to see the upper atmosphere of the sun. But when a total eclipse occurs, the moon blocks out most of the light from the sun, and the corona is visible. As NASA looks deeper into different parts of the sun, we gain more knowledge about the Sun-Earth connection. We know how important the sun is to us all. Heat and light generated by the sun make life on Earth possible. Variations in the sun's temperature could have dramatic effects on Earth's long-term weather. Solar storms affect satellites, telecommunications, electrical power grids on Earth, and are a danger to astronauts. The sun even holds clues to how we can generate renewable energy for future generations. So studying the sun is extremely important, and a total solar eclipse gives scientists a dramatic way to study one aspect of the sun, its corona. Back to you, Derek.